Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. Movie popcorn cost more per ounce than Filet Mignon. Costco has not changed the price of its $1.50 hot dog soda combo since 1985. There is a fruit salad tree which can grow up to 6 different types of fruit. Hewlett Packard was started at a garage in Palo Alto in 1939. Women were once banned from smoking in public. The high five is a recent innovation. A kangaroo saved the life of the man who rescued her. Harvard offers free tuition for low-income families. Boston was nearly destroyed by a flood of molasses. Ketchup was sold as a medicine. Lefties suffer more accidents than righties. Lead was once used in makeup. Antarctica is technically a desert. Algebra, trigonometry, and calculus are studies which originated in India. The Persian invaders converted it into Hindu. The name Hindustan combines Hindu and Hindu and thus refers to the land of the Hindus. When traveling overseas, the Queen does not require a passport. People who sleep late have more mental stamina and can outperform early risers. Getting angry at people when we listen to their breathing or eating is called misophonia, and it is actually brain disorder. Tomorrowland, world's biggest music festival, is fully owned by Manu and Michael Buer, two Belgian brothers. There's a town called OK. It has a population of 600 people. World's shortest horror story consists of only 2 sentences. The last man on earth sat alone in a room. There was a knock on the door. Oppo ex-vice president Pete Lau left the company to start his own. Today the company is called OnePlus. This photo of astronaut Charlie Duke's family has been on the moon for the last 43 years. If you want to become a billionaire, then pray for this asteroid. Psyche 16 is to be bought on Earth as it's made up of metal like gold, platinum, nickel, iron, cobalt. India's deepest metro station is about 30 meters below the street level, situated in Howrah city, named as Howrah Metro Station. SRK, the king of Bollywood, is the only Indian actor to be honoured by the France government with his name printed on a gold coin in a France museum. The Mill Blackbird is the world's fully adjustable true transformer car rig that creates photoreal CG cars. On average, men's noses are 10% larger than the women's. Giraffes and rats can last longer without water than camels. The dot on the top of the letter I is called a title. To check real diamond from fake, you need to breathe on it. A fake one will become foggy and a genuine one will stay clear. According to Albert Einstein, compound interest is the eighth wonder of the world. When water freezes, it expands by 9%. Sponges hold more cold water than hot. You begin to feel thirsty when your body loses 1% of water. The WD in WD-40 stands for water displacement. Hippopotamus are born underwater. A iguana can stay underwater for 28 minutes. The average human brain contains around 78% water. An elephant trunk can hold over 5 liters of water. Cucumbers are 96% water. The Atlantic Ocean is saltier than the Pacific Ocean. All pilots on international flight identify themselves in English regardless of their country of origin. 1 out of every 8 liters written is an E. In 1974, canned food from a boat that sank in 1965 was tested by chemists and was found to be still safe to eat. Viagra was invented to lower blood pressure, but its side effect resulted in erection of penis. Hit different when she is riding you. In order to burn just 1 calories, you need to click a mouse button 10 million times. Thanks for watching.